Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger entries on your laptop. A ledger is a crucial accounting record that systematically organizes all your financial transactions. It helps you track where your money comes from and where it goes. We will focus on the double entry system, a core principle where every transaction impacts at least two accounts, ensuring your books always remain balanced. This foundational understanding is key to accurate financial record keeping. Setting up your digital ledger correctly is the first practical step. You can use dedicated accounting software or a simple spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel. Begin by creating essential columns for the date, a clear description of the transaction, the debit amount, the credit amount, and a running balance. Remember to label each account clearly, for instance, cash or accounts payable, to maintain organization and clarity in your financial records. When recording a transaction, first identify the two accounts affected and whether each will be debited or credited. For example, if you pay a $100 utility bill, you would credit your cash account and debit your utilities expense account. Enter the date, a concise description, and the exact amounts. Always ensure that the total debits for each entry precisely equal the total credits, upholding the fundamental double entry principle. Regular review is vital for maintaining accurate financial records. After each transaction, calculate the running balance for every affected account. This helps you see your financial position in real time. Periodically, prepare a trial balance, which is a list of all your accounts and their balances. This crucial step verifies that the sum of all debit balances perfectly equals the sum of all credit balances, confirming your ledger's mathematical accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.